Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Scrump from Lilo and Stitch. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be awesome. Alright, so let's start drawing Scrump. We're going to start with the shape of the head. So it's kind of a little funny shape. So kind of like this. And we can do a bow here. So we can do kind of like a little square rectangle here with like a little dupe here in the middle, a little indent. And then we can do the big bow parts. And for the other side too. And we've got some big long bits up here. So I think this stuff is supposed to be kind of like Scrump's hair. And if you haven't seen Lilo and Stitch, Scrump is Lilo's strange little doll. All right, and we can do like a little necklace here, kind of like a collar. And we can do a circle here for one eye and a great big circle here for the other. And we're going to do 4 little circles. And over here we can do like an X. The eyes are like 2 buttons. And now the mouth, we can kind of do a big kind of like a hill. And then we can do all these little lines for stitches. And now let's do an arm like that, and another one. And then a little belly. And 2 legs. 1 and 2. And a button here. I think it's kind of like a belly button situation. And we're going to put an X there too. All right, so we've got our drawing done, and now I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing of Scrump. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye!